billion automobiles in the world today, and more than a quarter of them are in the United States. Gates Corporation leads the automotive aftermarket in accessory belt evolution with the tightest length tolerances in the industry. Hello and welcome. I'm John Schreckengast, an ASE-certified master technician for Gates. In today's automotive market, original equipment manufacturers are constantly evaluating belt performance and making updates to address inadequate belt drive design in certain applications. Gates works globally with OE manufacturers to evolve the performance of belt drives, offering the most advanced serpentine belt technology and materials in the world. For OEs as well as the aftermarket, the lack of proper belt construction and size will affect the life of other accessory components and/or cause check engine codes. All of this affects customer confidence in the belt's performance and in the vehicle in which it runs. NVH, or noise, vibration, and harshness, can always be found in the engine compartment. Belt noise is one of the leading reasons for customer complaints. But perhaps more importantly, without the appropriate belt construction, NVH can be experienced in the passenger compartment through the steering wheel, floor pedals, and floorboards. The solution is simple. Gates matches the length of the OE belts along with the latest OE materials and construction. Introducing the Gates Micro V Aramid belt. The use of Aramid cord eliminates span vibration and resulting roughness on newer engine designs. The proper belt simplifies accessory drive diagnostics, and the technician can install Gates belts with ease and confidence. Gates Micro V Aramid belt construction is unique. Each belt features patented EPDM rubber compound overcord that resists cracking and contributes to a longer belt life. Specially formulated adhesion gum that creates the ultimate bond to fuse the top overcord layer, Aramid cords, and the bottom ribbed undercord. Stronger than steel Aramid cord that prevents elongation on high load carrying high tension drives. And the patented EPDM and nylon-reinforced rib material undercord that guarantees optimum performance and reduces possible misalignment noise. Aramid cord construction is required in demanding engines, creating stability and rigidity. For example, engines with high specific output, diesels, turbo engines, engines with poor accessory drive geometry. Let me show you how it works. This animation illustrates what occurs when an improper belt is used in applications requiring a belt with Aramid construction. Belt flutter occurs in this situation and can clearly be seen in this animation, particularly in the longest belt span. This flutter creates stress on the accessory hubs and bearings, shown at the yellow arrows. This creates heat and ultimately bearing failure. At the same time, the flutter creates belt slip around the pulleys, indicated at the red and green areas. This can cause various issues, including belt noise, overheating, bearing failure, lack of charging, power steering loss, and false engine codes. These problematic conditions are all attributed to drive geometry, load on drive accessories, and the rotational vibration from the crankshaft. In other words, the firing of the cylinders driving the pistons downward and rotating the crankshaft. Now let's take a look at the same scenario in an actual vehicle. In this sequence, you can see a serpentine belt on a 2010 Ford Escape. Note that when compared to the polyester belt, the Gates Micro V Aramid belt runs without excessive movement. The Gates Micro V Aramid construction reduces noise, span vibration, and harshness. The bottom line with the Micro V Aramid belt is this: reduce warranties and fewer customer comebacks. And that, my friend, means happier customers. Ask for Gates Micro V Aramid belts by name today.